Hi everyone, it's Loran here. So, a lot of people have been playing Frog Fractions, and so I decided to take a crack at the game. While I really like how it's presented, there were a few small problems that I had with it. One of them being that it really doesn't teach you fractions in a way that's easy and accessible for people to understand. So I thought I'd break down the scoring system just to show you guys how it works. So, what we have here, well, I've written it down, but I mean, I don't know, it might be a bit too complicated. So we'll take the basic equation, which is 1/8 plus 3 halves equals 13 over 8, alright? So numbers, they might be a bit hard, so I made it a bit easier to understand, just using pictures. So as you can see, at the top of a fraction we have the numerator, and at the bottom we have the denominator. And this is the basic equation that we're going to be working with. 1 over 8 frogs plus 3 over 2 frogs equals 13 over 8 frogs. And it's interesting to note, why doesn't this equal 4 over 10 frogs? Because, you know, 1 plus 3 is 4, 8 plus 2 is 10, that seems to make sense. But no, you can't add fractions if they have a different denominator. Now that's key. So what we're going to do is find the lowest common multiple, and that'll help us add the two fractions together. So to find the lowest common multiple, what we need to do is find a number that is able to be divided by the two denominators without a remainder, so a whole number. So obviously 8 divided by 1 is 8, which is fine, that's all good. And for the second part of the equation, the denominator is 2, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. Both of those are good, they don't leave any remainder. So once you've found that, this is for the second part, so you have 3 over 2, which is the fraction we're originally working with, and you can times it by 4 over 4. You can multiply and not have the same denominator, that's fine. And obviously if we multiply by something over the same thing, it's same as multiplying by 1. So that's okay. So 3 over 2 multiplied by 4 over 4 gives us 12 over 8. So, and then of course for the second half, for the first fraction, 1 over 8 times 1 over 1 equals 1 over 8. So now both the fractions have the same denominator. We have 1 over 8 and 12 over 8, which is great. So now we can add them together, and of course 1 plus 12 is 13, and keep the denominator the same, so it's over 8. So we have 13 over 8, and that explains the mystery of the score. I hope this was helpful for you guys that didn't really understand frog fractions, but I think with a few improvements this could be a really good and educational game. So thanks for watching guys, and just stay tuned because I have another video explaining the second part of frog fractions, which is scientific notation. Thanks for watching.